Hello and welcome back to MicroTweaks. In this video, we will show you how to create a like and subscribe button for your YouTube video using Adobe Premiere Pro in the most easiest way, just like what you've seen in the intro of this video. First of all, go to pixabay.com and search for subscribe buttons. Then select which button you like. In my case, I will go for this one. Then go ahead and download the subscribe button animation. This is what we are going to use to create a subscribe button for your YouTube video. Then open up Adobe Premiere Pro. We will then insert an image background just for an example. Be sure to set your frame to an optimized setting for YouTube video, which is 1920 by 1080 frame size. Then resize the image to fit the frame by adjusting the scale of the image. Then import the subscribe button animation that we just downloaded from Pixabay. I'll just extend the time length of the image, so it will be in sync with the subscribe button animation. Then on the effects panel, search for color key, select color key, and transfer it to the image on the timeline. This will include color key effects for the image to the control panel. Now go down until you find the color key control. Here you will see an eyedropper icon highlighted in blue. Click on the eyedropper icon and transfer it to the subscribe button animation image. You will notice that the dropper icon color has turned green. Now click on the color tolerance control and drag the ruler slide to the right until you get the right color image for the subscribe button animation. If you're satisfied with the image, resize it to your desired size on the scale image control, which you can find on the top of the effects panel. Resize the image until you find it okay and place it wherever you want it in the video. Run a final test. And there you have it. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to our channel to be notified for more upcoming video tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching.